Magandang hapon po ng Monday, May 6, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, May 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 6, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, May 6, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 35.5 million pesos, and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 21.5 million pesos for May 6, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Monday, May 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.